Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I am so excited to try out this product. This has so many factors to it that I love. First of all, it's from one of my favorite brands, LA Colors. Second of all, it's from one of my favorite stores, Dollar General. Third of all, it's one of my favorite types of products, a high shine Shea Butter lip gloss that I got in the shade Baby Cakes, which looks like such a beautiful shade, and this only cost $2. So just everything I'm always looking for in a makeup product, and I am so excited to finally be trying this out. This does come in a bunch of different shades, but I just love tinted lip glosses, and especially I love a moisturizing lip gloss. So the fact that this has shea butter in it makes me very intrigued. Just like always, my lips are feeling chapped, so I'm really excited to add some moisture. So first, let's check out the applicator. Ooh, nice. It's a rounded paddle applicator. Yes, and it smells so good. It smells like vanilla. That classic old school lip gloss smell. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so glad this has such an amazing smell to it. Okay, and now before I apply it to my lips, I also want to swatch it. Let's see what this color looks like. Ooh, that actually has some good pigment to it and looks very true to how it looks in the packaging. Here you can see what that swatch looks like, and wow, look at that shine. It really does seem to have high shine. All right, now it's time to see how it looks on me. Oh, like look at how pigmented that is. It has such a nice texture. Oh, just so smooth, thick. What do we think of the color though? Oh, it doesn't look very good on me. I'm just not really into light lip colors, like kind of washing out the color in my lips. I just find it not very flattering on me. Oh, such a bummer. I really did not expect this to be so pigmented. I wish I had gotten this in a darker shade because I love the fact that it's pigmented. It's like a lipstick, lip gloss in one, also like a hydrating lip product because it is very moisturizing immediately. So hydrating and comfortable on my chapped lips. It really is such a pretty formula. It's too bad the shade is throwing me off. It does have sheerness to the color, but it's still very smooth. My lips look smoothed out. It's super comfortable. I just love everything about this except for how the color looks on me. So maybe I could use this on top of a different lipstick color so that it doesn't wash out my lips as much. But I think I just need to pick this up in a different shade. So if you've tried this out in any other colors that you like, let me know your recommendations in the comments down below. But it really is what I was hoping for in a lip gloss formula, and just goes to show that you do not have to spend a lot of money on a lip gloss or makeup in general. Like, I have tried out many Dollar General makeup products now, and they have been so impressive. Like, if you are looking for some good new makeup, I highly recommend checking out Dollar General. I love getting makeup from there. I have a huge Dollar General makeup haul video here on YouTube that I can have linked in the description down below if you haven't seen that yet, and then that will give you a taste of all the different makeup that you can get at Dollar General. But now it looks like I'm gonna have to do another makeup haul again soon so I can pick up other shades of this. If you have any favorite makeup products from Dollar General, let me know about those in the comments down below as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.